In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your hosting or name server information. This is an essential step when you're setting up your website, and it can help ensure that everything runs smoothly. Before we get started, let's talk a bit about what a name server is. Essentially, a name server is a specialized server on the internet that manages the domain name system, or DNS settings, associated with your domain. It acts like a phone book of the internet by translating domain names into IP addresses, allowing browsers to load internet resources efficiently. First, you'll want to go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, navigate to the control panel. It's worth noting that Hostinger's dashboard is user-friendly, making it relatively simple to find your way around. On the control panel, look for the section where your domains are listed. Typically, there will be a tab or a button labeled Domains. Click on that. Now that you've accessed your domain list, select the specific domain for which you want to find the name server information. After clicking on your domain, you should be taken to a detailed settings page. This area is really where most of your domain configuration options reside. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different settings available to you. Here, you're going to want to look for the DNS Nameservers section. This is the magic place where you get all those crucial details. Click on this section to open it up. On this page, you'll see information about your current nameservers. Hostinger typically provides you with two default name servers. These are what you'll use to point your domain to the Hostinger servers. Jot these down, or simply copy them to your clipboard for later use. Keep in mind that when you change or update your name server settings, it might take some time for these changes to propagate across the internet. Generally, this process can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours, so a little patience goes a long way. During this time, your website might be intermittently unavailable, but rest assured, this is completely normal. In case you run into trouble or need assistance, Hostinger offers customer support that can guide you through any challenges. Their support team can provide additional assistance should you require it, especially for more complex configurations or troubleshooting issues. With these steps completed, you're all set to use your Hostinger name servers to enhance your website's functionality. Remember, successfully managing your domain greatly influences your site's accessibility and overall reliability. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.